Okay guys, ang lalaroin natin ngayon ay The Night Delivery by Chilla's Art. So dito, gagampanan natin ang role ng isang delivery guy na naghahatid ng mga packages ng 10 oras ng gabi. Pero habang ginagawa mo yung trabaho mo, o yung trabaho natin, or yung trabaho ng delivery guy, may mga kakaibang nangyayari. Mysterious na mga tao, eerie na atmosphere, at unti-unting lumalalim na kwento tungkol sa mga taong nakatira sa apartment complex na ito. Hindi ito jumpscare heavy, more on creepy vibes, unsettling sounds, at storytelling. So as you progress, mas maintindihan mo ang madilim na past ng mga tenants at kung bakit may mga bagay na parang hindi na lang basta delivery ang ginagawa mo. So kung trip nyo yung mga ganitong horror na may malalalim na kwento, atmospheric build-up, at Japanese folklore feels, so panoorin nyo to. Tingnan natin kung anong ending yung makukuha natin kasi alam ko may iba't ibang ending to. So, tingnan nyo kung anong ending makukuha natin. Let's go! Yo! Ngayon lalaroin natin yung Night Delivery by Chilla's Art. Yun. Let's go! Delivery man. Delivery man no. 31 na. Okay. Mouse movement. Interact. Okay ba yung sensitivity? Parang masyado mabilis. Yan. This is my last stop. After I deliver these 5 packages, I'm done for today. Tab to open, okay. Switch item. Ay. Ano yun? Ano nga yun? Ikaw. Second floor to, no? 206 eh. Yung elevator. Hindi na, malapit lang eh. 202. Takboy na natin. Baka kanina niya pa iniintay itong package niya. Ginabi na ako. 205. 206. Bere po. Bere. Oh, galit na. Tatlo na exclamation point. Ayaw na. Alis na ako. Sir, tagal niya buksan. You took way too long. Yan na nga. Tumakbo na nga ako eh. Get the hell out of my face. Uy! Uy, buti sala. Sala ba? Tumama sa akin. Wala dito eh. Lasing lang siya. Next package. Let's go. Ito yun. Ay, nakukuha. Ba-uwa oh. Alang yan. Ano ba yun? Okay, next package. Una. 502. Room 502. 2, 3, 4, 5. Pinakataas. Ano, nakabukas pa? Wait lang, hindi pa ako nasakay. 5, 5th floor. Oh, bilis. May tao, may tao. Oh, wala pala. 502. 501 yan. 502. Delivery! Delivery po. Thanks. I have a reward for your great service. Buti ka pa, na-appreciate mo. You love cats too, don't you? Take it and be gone. Akala ko bibigay mo yung pusa eh. Thank you. Ano to? Cat food. Eh, taas eh. Elevator na lang. Ground. Bilis. Ikutin nga natin yung ground floor. Baka may kung ano man. Room 101. Ano to? Mga tangke. Ay, dito pala yung truck natin. Basurahan. Nagagalit yung pussy. Ano yun? Ano yun? Pader. Punta na. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ba't naglabo yung aking paningin? Hey, pussy. Gusto mo ng cat food? Oh. Tubig. Oh, tubig. Oh. Punta natin yun. Ka nanonood sa akin. Wala na siya. Nawala rin yung pusa. Room 401. Elevator na lang ulit tayo. Pwede naman mag-elevator eh. Baka introvert lang siya. Kaya nawala yung tao. Saan yun? Kala ko nawala yung elevator eh. Fourth floor. Ayun. May tao, may tao. Ano ba yan? Third floor. May basura. May basura rin. Sinong ating kakausapin? Ah, alam ko na. 5th floor. Tapos baba tayo. Hit. May tao ba? Wala. Lang yung mga basura. Doon pa tinambak. Oh. Ano nga to? 401. Sa'yo yun, no? Teka lang nga. Delivery! Hey, delivery. Kilala kita. Streamer ka, di ba? I'm scared. Am I the only one? Aren't you scared? This whole place, it's like I am becoming a part of them. Never mind. Forget about it. Oh, package mo. Oh, me? I haven't left the room in, I don't know. I stopped counting. Oh, right. You're here for a package. Don't know if I can trust you and your parcel just yet. Talk to the priest. I can't trust you until you talk to the priest. He said he lives in apartment number 105. Ala. Delivery man lang ako eh. $105. Check corners. 102, 103, 105. Mabait to, priest to eh. Oh. Oh. I see Mishiru sent you here. I'm the local priest. Say no more. I can sense the package is cursed. But I need to make an offering first before I can perform any sanctification on the object. Monetary, that is. Scammer! Ano lang? I need cash before I can perform any sanctification on the object. Cash! Cash! Cash po! Di-deliver lang eh. Saan ako kukuha ang cash? Kohei, how are you doing? How's the new apartment? In the previous apartment, you had to move because the residents there weren't so kind to you. Is it okay this time? Before, there were people who made a fool themselves about disabilities and welfare. Right? I said it many times before, you weren't the bad one. Don't blame yourself. Also, don't be impatient about getting a job. Kohei, you're my son. You'll be okay. Things will get better. Mom. Oh. May pera sa basura eh. Wala bang pera dyan? Puntahan ko na lang si ano. Teka, baka may dala ko yung wallet ko. Hindi pala. Kasi kailangan pa ng cash. Scammer talagang. Sabihin ko kayo no. Mizuru. Ano naman akong cash? Delivery man ako. Hey. You spoke to the priest directly? How lucky you are. I've only exchanged words through the door intercom. So, he needs money. Why, of course. What the priest says is always right. Here, give this to him. Make sure to give it to him ASAP. I don't want the priest to be waiting any longer. Ay, naku ka. Extra charge na to eh. Ground. Scammer yung priest. Parang albularyo, nakaka-detect ng ano. Priest. Ah, ito na yung money mo. Let me double check the amount. Ay, scammer talaga oh. Wait. What? This can't possibly be enough. Does Michiru really think he can get away with this? Oh. Michiru. Yeah, abot ko lang yung package. Dapat kayo na lang mag-usap. Kulang daw. Oo, it wasn't enough. Forgive me, priest. I hope this much will help. This is all I've got for this month. I have to ask my parents to give me more. Ala. Papauto ko doon kay priest. Iniscam mo na yung bata. Nagpa-deliver lang ng parcel. Oh. Let me double check the amount. Wait. That's enough. Oh, pambihira ka. Barely that is. Di ka pa nakontento ha? I'll forgive him this time. Let us begin the ritual. Okay. Nasaan yung package? Done. Whew. Now, go away. Bira. Scammer. Corners. Bulaga. Forgive me, priest. I'm ready to take the package now. Now, go away. Ang pares kayo? Laman lang tip. Dami kong ginawa. Buti na naman elevator. Corners. Oh, parang nagkulang, di ba? Parang nawala yung package B. Ay, hindi. Tama ta. Oh, tama. Pang-apat na to. 305. 305. Elevator. Pwede naman mag-elevator eh. May tao. Wala pala, wala. Corners. 305. Bandang dulo. 2. 3. Walang 4 kasi ano nila yung culture. Sa culture nila. Tago ako. Papunta na siguro yun. Ako magsusurprise eh. Iwan mo na lang dito. Tao po. Ba't ako pumasok? Hey. High-tech ng bahay niyo po. I'll be right there. Okay po. Saan galing? Oh, package mo. Ano ba yan? What are you doing? That package. It's a bed frame. You're gonna help me build it, right? Hindi no. Delivery naman ng... Saan? Dito. Pambira. Dito ba? Ayun o, bed. Okay. Ang demanding pala ng building nyo. Saan na siya? Try ko nga makakatulog. Hey. Makikailan ba ako? Patakan ako. Ako, umalis na siya. Alis na ako. Bye-bye. Alis na ako. Ground floor. May dugo. Patakan ako sa anit. May tao, may tao. Or nurse. Ba't nandito to? Bago ba yan? Last. At makakauwi na ako. $202 lang. Gugulat talaga ako. Ayaw pang lagyan ng WD-40 eh. $201, $202. Delivery. Uy, tumakbo. Uy, tumakbo. Anak mo, tumakbo. My baby, you have to help me catch him. Tumakbo yung anak mo. Kinausap pa ako, hindi ko na sa pumunta. Taas o baba? Baba. Ay, ikutin natin. Dito lang yan. Kamukha mo si Hachi. Ano yan? Sulat ba yan? Kohei, have you got used to the new environment? You said you are doing your best to get along with everyone in the apartment. Did you get along well? I know that you are very kind. I hope other people can feel that too. Start with one person first. Also, it's okay to work slowly. You tend to think pessimistically. Try to think positive. By the way, how's the dog? Aikichi. Was it? Show me the dog next time, okay? Mom. Inuna ko pa yung dog, Saan yung bata? Pwede ba ako mag-slide? Bawal. Yung bata. Baka nasa ilalim nito. Nakita po kayo. Uy. Ano yun? Sunda ko nga. Wait lang yun. Uy. Ba't nandalabo yung paningin ko doon? Ano nga ang package yun? 2. Baka umakyat yun. Ate, hindi ko na nakita. Kaya natin. Baka naglalaro ng basura. Na ba dito? Sa baba yun. Kaya pumunta yun. Ang bilis naman. Baka nagtago. Excuse me. Baka nagtago sa basurahan ah. Kaya? Nagmong sabihing makakaabot siya ng 4th floor. Merong ano dun. Mga basura sa hagdan. Ako nga hindi makatawid eh. Wala, paano ko pumunta siya dun sa kanina? Ay, ito, nakabukas. Ba't nakabukas to? Ay! Hindi pala siya nakabukas. Pero may tunog eh. Hello? Okay, baba tayo. Anong room to? 403. Hello po. Nandito po ba yung bata? Wala, may dugo. Ano yan? Ano to? Nahulog. Wala namang umaray, so walang tinamaan. Dito ba tayo galing? Hey! Ang kulit-kulit mo, ikaw. Saan ka nagpupunta? Layo, inakyat mo. Hindi ka naman nag-elevator. Ay! Nangyari. Nako, yan na nga. Sabi na rocket to eh. Kaya pala ang bilis. Corners. Saan ako? May hagdan, may mga hagdan. Teka, baka maging legit yung priest dito. Tingnan natin. Hindi. Ito, basurahan. Magde-deliver pa rin ako. Grabe naman yung dedication ko sa trabaho ko. Dito muna tayo sa 202. Yung buwis buhay pala yung deliver. Oy, 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 nangyari. (202) 203 agad. So ito na ba yun? 202? Ayan. Ay, buti naman ganyan lang. The baby was walking outside this morning. He is adorable. That is Mariko's child in room 202. As soon as Marikos noticed me looking at her son, she grabbed her son and took him inside the house. Please stay away from my son. Am I like a germ to her? Ayun na ba yun? Hindi mo na kailangan tong package. (206) Ay, nandun na tayo. Hindi pa tayo makyat kanina. Ay, hindi pa tayo nag-deliver. 206 nga pala. Baba tayo sa kabilang hagdan. (203) Kaya tayo. Kaya ulit. Teka, anong room to? 502. Baba. May 4 ba? 401. 404 to. (306) 305. Okay lang kasi yung goal naman natin itong 206. At night, Mr. Takeo in room 206 was carrying a box filled with beer cans. I said, "Do you mind me helping? Why are you trying to help? If you have time to help, you shouldn't be on welfare. You're just a burden to society." Mr. Takeo said. What? I wonder if people around me think that way. Wala, kinuha ko yung package ni ano. Third floor. 305. Sakto. Arisa, in room 305, is a student. She is also a part-timer at the nearest convenience store. I can tell she is a hard worker, and I respect that. When I thought she wouldn't say hello when we passed each other for the first time this morning, she said, "Are you stalking me? You ugly." I wasn't stalking. Wawa naman. 401. Dulo pa. Baba. Kailangan natin yung tataas tayo. Tapos pandandulo ang ating goal. Taas ulit. Taas. Basta ang mahalaga makarating tayo sa extreme left ng building. Kasi yung mga first rooms ay nandun. Room 402. Package mo. I thought I could get along with Michiru-san in room 401 since we were close in age. I've never seen him out of his room. I decided to visit him. He finally came out for the third time. I don't think anyone can get along with someone like you, he said. That's it. And the door closed immediately. Last 502. 502. Ito na, 502 na to, di ba? Today, I gave a cat can to Erika in room 502. I also have a dog, so I wish I could get along well. She told me I was disgusting, but I believed there were no bad people who love animals. I was hurt, but money. So, ang alam kong mukhang pera sa game na to ay ang priest. Tara, bigay natin to. Climb down. Climb down. Let's go. Climb down. Up. Fire exit yung gamit. Climb down. This morning, I saw Yukichi in room 105 walking. He seems to be a priest, and I thought he was a kind person, so I went to talk. What is the weak person doing? I don't want to see it just useless without money. Never show up in front of me ever again, he said. Maybe he was in a bad mood. 202. Parang na-pick up ko kasi lang to eh. Meron pa ba? So paano? Ibabalik ko ba to? Okay, sige. Alam ko kasi last na yun eh. 203. Baka nag-bug yung game. Sana hindi. Sorry na pick up ko. Try na lang natin bumaba. Ikutin natin yung ground floor. Baka mamaya goods lang. Or punta tayo sa playground kanina. Tingnan ko nga ito yung priest. Ito ba yun? Saan tayo pupunta? First? Fifth? Ay! Ano yun? Oh, wala pa yung lola mo. Anak niyo ho. Bye-bye. Yes. May isa pa. Room 202. 202? Panya ulit? Yung nawala ng bata? Hello? Oh, 404. Fifth floor. Thank you. Two, three, wala namang 4 ah. May 4 pala. Delivery po. Package niyo po, bye-bye. Ito na naman si pasok lang ng pasok, hindi na lang iwan yung package dun sa ano eh. Package siya po, hello. Ano ba to? Ba't may ref? Nasa gitna yung ref. Usually nasa gilid eh. Eh, ano nangyari? Lumalabo. Ay, may ano. May ano. May... Ano nga to? Bangkay. Saan natin to? Hindi nabubuksan. Ito pa, may bangkay. Nako. May ano pala dito, massacre. Massacre. Nangyari. Sira ba yung computer ko? Landlord. Landlord. 53. Si Pris yan. Control ko siya? Control ko. Okay. Ano to? Potato chips. Flashlight. So, pupunta ba ako sa 404? 403. Makalat pa kaya doon sa 4? Tingnan natin. Hindi. Kasi 4. Sana hindi na makalat. Makalat pa rin. Nakikita ko. Fifth floor. Okay. Tayo sa 404. Ay! Fifth nga to eh. May basura kasi doon sa ano, sa hagdan. Ayan o. 2 3 4. Lukayin natin. May mga blood stains pa. Ano makita? Sino yun? Pris yan. Ending 2. So, may mga different ending pa pala to. Hindi ko na siguro kukunin yung ibang ending. Available naman siya sa YouTube. Okay? So, yun. Ano nga to? Night Delivery by Chilla's Art. Let's go. Natapos natin. Hintayin lang muna natin yung start menu kasi baka may kasunod pa.